Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mount a ceiling lamp without a drill. That's why in this video, I'm going to assemble the HYBY ceiling lamp from IKEA. Before you start, make sure that the power is off so that you can work safely. This lamp is easy to hang because it has a hanging mechanism. It's an eye you can hang it on. So it is important that you have something of a hook near the ceiling. With me, it is the case that a hook comes out of the wall socket there, but you may have a hook somewhere else. Or try to see if you can make a hook in one of those two screw holes of the wall socket that you can hang it on. I've already put the lamp together. This is the lamp. Is it also the HYBY lamp? And so must assemble. You can click the legs in 3 pieces, and then this is about the yes suspension mechanism. That one is very nice. Once you've screwed in that suspension mechanism, we can hang it. Push it up for a moment against the ceiling, and then we tighten it up. So fixed is fixed. And then it hangs. Great, screwdriver included. And we have the black wire for the power supply. They connect to the brown wire. We have the green wire in the middle. And we have the blue wire. It's a bit quirky. And blue we can then screw in with blue. You can see that this terminal block is at the back, so indeed the blue wire and this is the brown wire. It can screw right in. Well, everything hangs. Can we screw in the bulb? Here goes an E27 goes in. You can put 2 in, just how much light you want. I put 1 in. Then we can see if it works. Yes, amazing. And then the scale has to be added. Then we slide it in. And it hangs. Well, that was it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it, and if there are any questions, I'd love to see them in the comments below. Bye.